is Coach Dino. You see, there are only two ways to make money on the internet. Either you sell a product or you sell a service. But what most people do is they like all this platform where you can put 10,000 naira and you begin to expect maybe 20,000 naira in the next 24 hours, or they ask you to refer people that you get paid at the end of the day, or you should comment and share posts on social media that you get paid, or you should watch video and at the end of the day you're going to get paid. So these are many things that a lot of people have done and they didn't get paid, so they conclude they have done online business. But in reality, how to make money has to do with you selling a product or a service. For example, Dangote, whenever you hear Dangote, the richest man in Nigeria and also in Africa, you hear that he sells cement, he sells sugar, he sells salt, he sells spaghetti, he sells indomie, and all manner of things. Today he's even building a refinery to also sell fuel for you and I. That is how money is being made. Look around you, every successful person around you, they either sell the product or they sell the service. That's how money is being made. So anything outside you selling a product or a service on the internet, you are just doing kabu, what I call kabu, which means you are just gambling with your destiny. You won't make money that way. So now, when it comes to making money on the internet, selling a product or a service, there are three important keys that guarantees success. Number one is customer acquisition. Whenever you see somebody opens a business and the next day that business have actually packed up because maybe the person is not making money, the reality is that the person doesn't have customer, because customer is equals to money. Any business that lacks customer will also lack money, but a business that have customer will always have money. So customer acquisition is very important for every small business owner, especially those who are into online business that sell products and services online. Your major concern on a daily basis is how to get customers who are going to buy your product and services, irrespective of what you do. Secondly, how to sell. You see, an average person that have a business has no other concern on a daily basis other than how people can buy their product and services and give them money. Even a woman that sells akara and akam, her concern is how to get people to give her money while she sells her akara and akam to them. Also, anybody that have any kind of idea, all you need to make money with it is to sell it. Oftentimes you hear people say that idea rules the world. No, it's not every idea that rules the world. It is the idea of somebody that knows how to sell that rules the world. For example, the original the original person that has the idea behind the Coca-Cola drink we are all drinking today, he sold it for $500. Reason because he doesn't know how to sell. There are many people today who will have been millionaires and even billionaires with the kind of ideas they have, but because they don't know how to sell, they die with those ideas. You see our politicians today campaigning up and down, talking about what they will do. What are they trying to do? They are trying to sell themselves. So whoever amongst them is able to do that, that is who the masses will vote for. So irrespective of the idea you have, if you can't sell it, you can't make any money. Yeah. Irrespective of any product or any service you have, even if you have a product that will raise the dead, if you don't know how to sell it, you can't make any money with it. So most times people say, I don't want to sell, but the reality is that every one of us has been selling by default. As long as you do something to earn a living, you are in the business of selling. Because for example, if you go for a job interview, if you can't sell yourself to your employer, they will not employ you. You work in an organization, you can't sell yourself on a daily basis, they won't promote you. If you are not even careful, they will sack you. So irrespective of whatever thing you do, whether you're a lady, you sew clothes, or you make hair for other ladies, if you can't sell your skill to these people to believe you are good enough at what you do, you are the best at what you do on a daily basis, they won't come to you. You are a man, you have a particular skill you render people. Your concern every day is how to get people to give you this work so that you can do it and be able to make money for yourself. So every human being is in the business of selling. That's the number one skill in the world, because irrespective of any skill you have, any product you have, if you can't sell it, you can't make money. So the skill of selling is very important when it comes to online business. Then thirdly is mentorship. Most people come into online business, all they just do is they get a program and they were very much excited before getting the program, and after getting the program, But by the time you start going through the videos that explain how this particular program is done, you begin to see that there are things you don't really understand. So if you don't have a mentor that will put you through, tell you the next thing to do, you will be stuck. And if you can't figure it out over time, you're going to abandon that program and conclude that it doesn't work. So this is the 3 things that if you miss it while starting your online business, you may not be able to succeed. Because imagine having a business where you don't know how to get those who are interested in what you do. You won't be able to make any money because you won't be the one to buy your products. Definitely someone else has to buy a product for you to make money. Or you have people to buy your product, but you don't know how to talk to them for them to buy your products and services. They won't buy, you won't make any money. Or you don't have a mentor who will actually tell you what to do at each point. There is no way you can move ahead. So this is the 3 most important things you must take care of if you must succeed in online business. So I have a program called the Urgent Income Accelerator Program, and what I do in that program is to hand you over the exact skill that have helped me to achieve financial independence, whereby I make over 2 million naira on a monthly basis. So in that program, I'm going to show you how to acquire a customer, those who are interested in what you do using your smartphone and Facebook advertisement. Yeah, because Facebook have what we call Facebook algorithm that helps you to locate those who are interested in anything that you have that you sell. For example, on your Facebook, you will never see anything you are not interested in. Anything you see on your Facebook, those are the things you're interested in, because there are billions of informations that go out on Facebook on a daily basis. But only those that you're interested in, those are the ones that Facebook will show to you. So with this, any product or service that you sell, definitely if you take it to Facebook, they are going to show it to those who are interested in this kind of products and services that you have. And an average person will never see something they are very much interested in and they do as if they are not interested in it anymore, or they did not see it. Definitely they are going to flood into your DM and you're going to have a real life conversation with them, which at the end of the day, many of them are going to buy these products and services from you. So with this, on a daily basis, you should be able to make money for yourself. Then also, I'm going to teach you how to sell, because on the internet, an average person has trust issues, including you. You have trust issues. So I'm going to show you how you can break the trust issue of people and be able to hand over your product and services to them. Because a man that does not trust you will never give you money. They will never buy anything from you. So I will show you how you get people to know you, like you, trust you, and even respect you. Because an average person will never buy from you when they don't know you, they don't like you, they don't trust you, and they don't respect you, they will never buy. So I will show you how you can get them to know you, like you, trust you, and also respect you, so that they will always buy something from you over and over again. Then also inside the program, we'll have 4 times weekly mentorship that runs on Monday, Wednesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays by 9 p.m. And all the sessions are recorded on Telegram Live. So in case you are not able to attend any of the sessions, or in between the session something happened that you have to leave, you can always come back to the recorded version. And also, I open my WhatsApp number by 8 o'clock in the morning to 8:45 and 3 p.m. to 3:45, where you can actually call me in case you have anything that you didn't want us to discuss inside the live mentorship, so that we can also talk about it privately. Then also, I know that you don't have a product to sell, so I have 4 hot in demand products that you can actually start selling to make money for yourself now. So I have a program on e-commerce, a program on website design, a program on video graphics and digital marketing. The reason why we choose these 4 products is because it's something that an average person can do. Because today, Nigerians are in a survival mode where most people don't know where their next meal will come from. So with this kind of products, they only need their smartphone to start making money on the internet. For example, the video graphics is for those who want to use video to promote their product and services, market their product, and be able to create more awareness for whatever thing they do, because video gets more attention than text. Then for the e-commerce, an average person knows that if you can import from abroad, you will make more money than when you are sourced from the local market. Then the website design, an average person that have a business today knows that if your business is not online, it's not a business for the 21st century. Then this is how we structure this product, so that once you market it to people, they will easily give you money, and you should be able to make money on a daily basis. So all these products I mentioned, 4 of them before now used to have a resale rate on it, but currently now, the resale rate has been removed on it. reason because people begin to abuse it. But for the website design, video graphics, and the e-commerce, you're also going to have a resale rate on it, which means sell it and keep the money. But for the digital marketing course, we have already listed it on seller, which means you are going to sell it using a particular unique link where you will get 74% commission on each sale that you make. So I know that you'll be asking, how much is this program? How will I get started with this program? If we value this program for 100,000 naira, it's still worth it, considering the fact everything we're offering you. But we are not here to do that. So this program goes for 10,000 naira. But I'm going to give you a one-time discount offer as you're watching this video now to get it for 4,500 naira. So all you could do to get started now is go back to whoever that gives you this video to watch and collect the registration link that has 4,500 naira on it and register now. Or you can always come back any other time and get it for 10,000 naira or above 10,000 naira. I will see you inside.